Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wownow app step by step. Open the app, tap Sign Up, and enter your details to create an account now. Verify your email or phone, then complete your profile by adding a payment method and preferred settings. Set a default delivery address and enable location so the app finds nearby services. Explore the home screen categories to see available options and quick promotions. Tap any category or use search to find the exact service you need, then browse providers and read ratings to pick one confidently. Tap Book or Order, choose a delivery or pickup time, and add special instructions for the provider. Confirm your payment method and review fees and estimated arrival times before submitting. After placing the order, track progress on the map and expect timely updates from the app. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others discover these tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is my go-to for staying hydrated on the go, with a secure lid and easy carry handle that pairs nicely with running app sessions or long errands. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open the Orders tab to see active and past requests, with a live map showing the provider or delivery status. If plans change, use the Modify or Cancel buttons within the allowed timeframe and check any cancellation fees before confirming. After service completion, leave an honest rating and tip through the app to help future users and reward good providers. Keep receipts in your profile for records and expense tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.